Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my Apple Watch tips and tricks, so I hope that you guys like it. If you do, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps out my channel, and make sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. This is part 2, so if you'd like to watch part 1, then go ahead and click on the cards. I will put a link to that and other Apple Watch videos, so I hope that you guys will check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. The first tip is going to be how to take a screenshot. So what you want to do is you want to press the crown and the button above the crown simultaneously, and that will take the screenshot. Here I'm going to show you on my phone that I took a screenshot of the FaceWatch, and I can edit it there if necessary. To be able to take a screenshot, if for whatever reason your watch is not set up for it, and you try to press the buttons and nothing happens, you want to open the Apple Watch app and then you want to go to General. From there, scroll down and enable screenshots right here. Now, I kept accidentally switching my FaceWatch, and I would look down at my watch and all of a sudden I would have a completely different one. So in order to not do that, you want to open the Apple Watch app, and then right here it has my faces. And these can be removed, and you can always re-add them if you want to. You can always customize another FaceWatch, but the one on the bottom here is the one that is currently being used. And what I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to eliminate all of the other ones that come preset on there, along with the ones that I've put since I've had the watch. And as soon as I remove all of them, I go back, and now I only have one FaceWatch as my FaceWatch. And if you look on my watch, you will see that now I can no longer accidentally switch my FaceWatch. Number 3 is going to be how to chain workouts together. I love this option because sometimes I will be doing some strength training and then I want to do cardio right after, and I don't want to have to worry about getting the whole report for my strength training session and then having to cancel that and then re-log in. Really quickly, I wanted to show you guys how cool it is when you have that app running, and you have to have at least a minute, so that's why we're waiting a little bit of time. So to add another workout, what you want to do is you want to swipe the screen to the right, and then you will be able to hit the plus sign and then add whatever type of workout you want to do. Once you end that workout, then you have a summary of both workouts, which I didn't actually show and I should have, but it will give you a summary of both things you used. Next is going to be how to make a phone call with a Wi-Fi connection. Now, I do not have the LTE version, but that doesn't matter because as long as I have Wi-Fi, I can make a call via my watch. Click on Messages, then choose a person that you would like to call. From there, you're going to do a force touch, and then you're going to click on Details, and that will give you the option of calling and messaging. So you're going to press the call button, and then you can FaceTime, or you can press on the phone number, and that will call the person. Hi, I'm just calling you to show that I can call you with my Wi-Fi on my Apple Watch. Okay, that's all. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. This next tip took me a little while to figure out how to actually do, and this is how to switch the animated emoji. So what you want to do is you want to have it on the emoji here, and you want to tap and slide to the side, and then it'll change the face for you. If you slide to the right, it'll move into a new face. If you slide to the left, it will give you the previous face that you had. This one is a little tricky, but there are a lot of really cool options, and here is the heart one. So it's kind of a cute idea to be able to send something that's animated, and I believe that you can also send this to people that do not have an Apple product. So that's kind of fun. To switch the orientation, all you have to do is go to the Apple Watch app, click on General, scroll down to Watch Orientation. From there, you can pick what side, what wrist you're going to be wearing the Apple Watch in, and whether the crown is on the left or the right-hand side. If you are left-handed, I definitely recommend to wear it downward. It just makes life a lot easier. On part 1 of this video, I showed how to find your phone, bringing up the menu and then pressing on this phone with the little speaker behind it. Now, if you need to find your phone in the dark, what you can do is you can actually tap and hold that same button, and then it will make a noise for a second, and then it will shine a light so you can find your phone in your purse or in the dark. As I've mentioned in other videos, the little red dot on the top of the screen of your watch is in notifications that you have. So how to decide what notifications you want. Now, I really like this because I don't want to have every notification that I get on my phone on my watch. Just certain ones are important to me. To adjust which notifications you would like to have, open the Apple Watch, click on Notifications. From there, you will see the notifications that are that mirror your iPhone alerts, and you will see the notifications that you get on your Apple Watch. I like to eliminate the ones that are mirrored on my phone that are not important for me to have on my Apple Watch, as I'm doing here, the Cinemark, the Groupon, the Peak app. Those are not necessary for me to have on my watch. The Pinterest, because there's so many alerts regularly that I just end up not looking at them and canceling or deleting them right away anyway. Number 10 is going to be how to zoom in and out of your photos. So here I am and my photos that are mirrored from my Apple Watch or from my iPhone, and this is the photo that I took previously, the screenshot of the face. And in order to zoom, all you have to do is just move the crown, and then if you want to shift the picture within the watch face, put your finger down and just move the picture around. I am bilingual and I have the Spanish and English keyboard on my Apple Watch and my iPhone, and sometimes I want to dictate in Spanish or English. To change the dictation language on my Apple Watch, do a force tap, then you pick choose language, and that will give you the option of either choosing whatever language you have set up on your iPhone and Apple Watch. The last trick is one of my favorites, and this is how to unlock your MacBook Pro with your watch. So you have your Apple Watch on, it has to be unlocked, and then you open your MacBook and it will unlock it with your Apple Watch. How cool is this? And it'll give you a notification that your MacBook Pro was unlocked. In order to do this, you have to change a couple settings on the computer. Click on Systems Preferences, and then you want to go to Security and Privacy. From there, make sure that the Allow the Apple Watch to unlock your Mac is enabled. So you make sure that there's a blue check on that. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found the tips and tricks helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.